Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essentials: Garmin Connect installed, Face It app added, and your watch paired via Bluetooth. Once done, open Face It and tap Create. You'll pick a photo from your phone gallery or camera, choose one with clear subject contrast so icons remain readable. Then crop to the square preview and set the focal point. Make sure to save changes locally before you proceed to customization. This avoids redoing adjustments if the transfer fails. You now fine-tune the watch face. First, adjust the photo scale and position so the time area is unobstructed. You can change overlay opacity between 0, 5 and 1, 0 for contrast. Next, choose clock style and font, then add complications like steps, battery, or heart rate, limit to 3 for clarity. Once configured, use the preview to test day and night visibility and switch between 12 and 24-hour formats. When satisfied, tap Send to device. Finally, check the face on your watch and set it as the active face if it didn't apply automatically. If you run into issues, don't panic. Restart both devices and reattempt syncing from Face It. Make sure Garmin Connect has storage and photo permissions and that your watch firmware is current. Outdated firmware can block custom faces. If all else fails, recreate the face at reduced resolution and retry. Sometimes a smaller image bypasses transfer limits or memory glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.